Hello, analytics students. Today, this video is going to help you get started on the ChicagoLand popcorn case. So on my screen, you will see the case instructions, which are, of course, with everything else in bright space for you. So I just want to review because it's a little bit complicated. There's a lot of different documents, and I want to make sure that you have everything straight as far as what you're going to be needing to complete this case. So first, let's look at the learning objectives. When we're done, you're going to be able to describe the South Dakota versus Wayfair court decision that determined how it will be decided whether or not a state has to collect sales taxes. Now, keep in mind, this is a little bit simplified. This does not apply to all of the states, so don't take this as, this is not the final word as far as sales taxes are concerned, but it's going to help you understand a little bit about this idea of nexus and whether or not you have to collect sales taxes. You are going to be able to use data analytics in a consulting project. So you're going to be acting as a consultant. You will be preparing visualizations in Tableau. And then finally, you're going to write a memo to your client explaining your findings. So tons of excellent skills you're building in this one case. All right, so these are the things that you're going to need to complete the case. So first of all, there is the ChicagoLand popcorn case. And I want to make sure that you have all of these things and you've done the preparatory work before you start to do the Tableau things and everything else. So the case looks like this. My recommendation, this is only 3 pages long. My recommendation is that you print this and highlight some of the important things because there are some important facts in here that you will want to know about the company. All right, so that's the case. Oh, let me go back to instructions for a minute. So then you have the South Dakota versus Wayfair court decision. This is a very long, like 40-page document from the Supreme Court that describes what happened in this case. So it looks like this. It is, well, like I said, it's 40 pages long, so you don't need to look at 40 pages. If you're curious, feel free to read more than you need to, but what you need to know is right here on the first page. Again, I would print. I know that printing is not the greenest thing in the world, but this is only 1 page. Print the first page of this because it's got important information on it. Pull out the information that you're going to need for the case. Okay? All right, what else do you need? The data. So the data is called in bright space just ChicagoLand popcorn sales 2021. And it looks like this when you open it up, which is crazy, right? It's a text file that's going to get uploaded into Tableau, and you're going to use that to do all of your visualizations. Let's go back. Sorry, I'm popping all over the place. And then the final thing is the ChicagoLand popcorn Tableau instructions. These are very important. We are going to be looking at these together. So before you start, please make sure you have done these things because otherwise nothing's going to make any sense to you. Make sure that you read over the case. That 3-page document is not very long, and highlighted the things that you think are important. Read the first page of the court decision, and you should have this file downloaded on your computer, the popcorn sales file, and then have the Tableau instructions nearby because you're going to be using those, and we're going to go through those step by step in the different videos to help you with the Tableau piece of the case. All right, so when you have done all of those things, then you can move on to the next video, which is going to be step 1. Okay, so I'm looking forward to doing this case with you. I think you're going to learn a lot from it, and I think you're going to feel very much empowered and feel very like you have accomplished something great when you're done with this, because I think it's a great great case. All right, so that's all I have here. Next step is going to be step 1 in the Tableau document. So I will remind you of that when we start our next video.